Students, again we are doing revision of chapter 2 polynomials. Now we will learn about division algorithm for polynomials. So let fx and gx be any two polynomials. Then we can find polynomial qx and rx such that fx is equal to gx multiplied by qx plus of rx. Here we keep in mind that degree of rx is always less than degree of gx. Okay, and also rx may also be 0. Okay, keep this in mind. Now we can write this as dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus of remainder. So fx will be our dividend, gx is our divisor, qx is the quotient, and rx is the remainder. We take an example for this. So we have to divide this polynomial px, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, by another polynomial gx x square minus 2, which is your x square minus 2. Okay, and then find out the quotient and the remainder. Okay, so here your dividend is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Divisor is x square minus 2. So on actual division, this is your divisor, this is your dividend, okay. So we see that the dividend variable powers are in decreasing order, that is okay, and the divisor variable power are also in decreasing order. So we divide this x cube by x square, that is first by first, dividend first divided by divisors first. So x cube divided by x square, so we get x our first quotient. When this x multiplied by x square, we get x cube, and x multiplied by minus 2, we get minus 2x. Okay, now on subtraction, here we have positive sign, it will convert to negative sign, and here we have negative sign, it will convert to positive sign. So plus of x cube minus of x cube, it will be cancelled out. Okay, and now we will get minus 3x square, and this plus 5x and plus 2x, it now become plus of 7x, and then comes your term minus 3. Okay, now again, first of dividend is minus 3x square and first of divisor is x square. When we divide this minus 3x square by divisors first, which is your x square, we get our second quotient as minus 3. So this quotient minus 3, when multiplied by x square, we get minus 3x square, and when minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, we get plus of 6. Again, this on subtraction, this negative sign will change to positive, and this positive sign will change to negative. So minus 3x square and plus 3x square, they will be cancelled out, and we will get this 7x, and minus 3 and minus of 6, it will give you minus 9. Okay, thus quotient we have find out, it is your x minus 3 and remainder as 7x minus 9. So this is your remainder, and this is your quotient. Okay, In this way we can find out the quotient and remainder. Thank you.